Hi friends, hello, how are you? I am Caterina Perez. Welcome to my channel Super Fan Cakes and More. Today I want to share with you how to prepare buttercream without icing sugar, and instead of I will use light corn syrup. So let's get started. Okay, the recipe is 1-to-1. Okay, now I will prepare two recipes, so I will duplicate one. Each buttercream unsalted is 200 grams, so I'm using 400 in total, and I'm using this light corn syrup, which is 473 ml. So this will work pretty well for this 400. Then you will use maybe or not, because this is up to you, some essence. This is vanilla flavor, and I will use half of teaspoon, and then also 1 or 2, depends of how white you want the buttercream, of white icing color. This buttercream is the opposite to the normal buttercream, because I won't use icing sugar. And the other thing that also for me is a tip is that I will use the butter really cold. So I just removed 1 minute ago this from the fridge, so these are really cold. And this is because I need some consistency in the butter. I don't need very soft, like room temperature. So now I will start adding in pieces to the bowl. Okay, small pieces, so it's not difficult also to make it a cream, or to create a cream. This amount will be for a cake of for one recipe cake of my vanilla cake, which is more or less for about 15 or 17 persons. Even 20 people can eat from this vanilla cake, plus this double recipe of buttercream. So what I will do now is just start mixing this, beating this. Just use this and this, and then let's start. Just one speed, very low speed, very low speed. And then to help the mixing machine, I will add a little bit of corn syrup. Okay, I will increase speed number 2. Immediately I will prepare my second batch of butter. I will increase the speed. Number 4. Now I will add the other part of the butter. prep my bowl, the sides and the bottom. Okay, now I will beat. High speed. Adding the whole light syrup. I will add the vanilla, very little, just half of teaspoon. If you use transparent vanilla, so very light. This is dark, but it's okay. Half. Now I will add the color, white icing color. 1. Again, I will scrape everything. Okay. I will use a little bit more of corn syrup, maybe 100 more. But before to do that, I need to be sure that really I don't need more. Okay, I will beat for maybe 20 seconds. And then I will see if the consistent is okay. If not, I will add 100 ml more of corn light syrup. I will add 50 milliliters more of lime corn syrup. Much better the result. You have to see, okay, the recipe is 1:1, but if you see that still you need more softness, you know, then just add 50 by 50, but I think that no more than 100, otherwise it will be very liquid. It will become liquid, and then you cannot use anymore to frost in your cakes. Okay, I think now it's fine. You see, it's really good to cover the cake. It's very soft. The flavor is very delicate. So now it's fine. Okay, friends. So that's all. I hope this was useful for you. This is another way to create to make buttercream. Delicious, easy, and fast. Okay, friends, thanks for watching. I hope you like this video, and I hope you find it useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also if you want, you can register below in the link, in the first link in the information box. So you can register, and I can send you to your email all the videos that I make in the week, and also information about the online classes. So that's all. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye. Sugar free. Oh.